Hey you everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is a Somali, is a singer named Lily Case. He's really amazing singer from Somalia, and this is his TikTok video. The people of Somalia, some girls and guys doing amazing TikTok. They are beautiful girls doing amazing TikTok from Somalia. If you like, so must subscribe. You're from Media and you're watching our reaction video, must share, subscribe and comment. So let's check out. So, and this is a Somali TikTok video.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Wow, she's good.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
I like this. Nice dress. Wow.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
This is the most beautiful girl. Wow, I like it.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Wow, this is nice. I like this dress. Wow. So cute.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
What is this? Oh my god. Nice dress. And also beautiful. Nice makeup.
هذا اليرب إلا ما مدايا إلا دوا عدو الربا مدايا إلا دوا عدو لا تيح مدايا Dhulkan baan la beegsan dhulkan ku dara ciidaan la sima nashiraan gubi lamigaa soo dhigi cilka magafaha liibiya anu qabo
Please subscribe Amateur Films HD.
ila soo joog diiday awan la kordhaway la musdaway wey ila qaban karo mihiya miiso ha isdhigin hana naafogin ila lixman galo jees na daay lama daasado lamana dhadhamiyo dhibintayda looyo kumaba laaclaac iyo lafdimuumaba
Please subscribe Amateur Films HD. Please subscribe Amateur Films HD.
يا ما أنتوا أي صوت استنبه maxaa ii qaban kartaa
aniya guriyaa ku siinaa baawuraa ku siinaa shaqaa ku geena waa shaqaysay
adna maxaa ii qaban kartaa
lafo isoo binka banaanka
Wow guys, it's really amazing video. This is a nice, the beautiful girls from Somalia. This is an amazing Lilika song and he's really amazing singer. I'm here from India. I really enjoy. If you like, so must subscribe. So love you, take care, bye bye.